So hello guys, today I want to show you the video about the Taigun upgrade, which is this Taigun is 2023 Taigun 1 liter TSI automatic top line. So we have upgraded this Taigun to the completely this Taigun got complete Eurospec upgrades, starting from the cluster, 8K OPS front and rear sensor, the Highline camera with the dynamic guidelines, and the direct TPMS. So let's start with the sensors first. So factory doesn't have the front sensor, so we have done the front sensor, front forward sensor here. You will see the second here, third, and this is fourth sensor. And in the back, you will see the at the back you will see the total 7 sensors. So basically 3 are from the factory, which comes for every variant: comfort line, beige line, top line. So we along with that, so those sensors are particularly of no use. They really don't give you the sense or the display on your existing infotainment. So what you need to do, you need the new rear sensors, which is compatible to display the rear OPS display on your infotainment. So you will see that we have kept it as, because we customer is not looking for to change the rear bumper. So we added the 4 sensor, which are basically this one, this one, this one, and this one. Along with that, so we also did the TPMS sensor, which is sits inside the bumper. There will be dedicated space to that. So that has been already integrated into the in the backside of the rear bumper, and rest of the 4 sensor will be followed as for tire, which is already done and dusted there. Now let's move on to the inside. I'll show you how the cluster looks and how the PD sensor looks. Rest of the Highline camera exactly sits at where the OEM camera sits. It's just that it is the different camera with the dynamic guidelines and everything. So it will look as the same as OEM ones. This is not the normal cluster, which comes in the India spec Taigun and Virtus. Also, this cluster can't be fitted to any Skoda cars. This is only applicable to VW cars. So this is how somehow look like. It will have a lot of information compared to the one existing which VW is selling right now. I'll show you in a bit. So once you put the start, you will have the double gauge, you will have the different information, altogether different dials. Along with that, you can also sense your TPMS sensors here, which will permanently show. Then you have different options into the cluster, like lap timer, driving data. You can switch between the different settings here, like you do in the normal cluster. But these are the options also available in this cluster. But additionally, you have assistant systems, you have audio tracks, telephone, car details, lap timer, everything. So the difference between this Eurospec cluster is this supports 2 different dials, one for the rev, one for the speedometer, and obviously with this view button. With this view button, you can toggle between the different menus, which has a lot of information. So this is one of the information you can see, one of the option dials that you have. Then you have this one, then back to the same cluster. So this cluster additionally have the 8-inch digital cluster, which comes with the VW or the any analog cluster. They don't really support the the TPMS, direct TPMS display, it will just pop as a warning. I'll post a video about it later, but this cluster does support the direct TPMS. You can check your TPMS anytime onwards. Along with that, you can customize your dials with using your existing infotainment. So you will have the options here to basically manage your display. You can choose your profile accordingly. So if you'll see, if I change here, it will have change happens here. So profile 1, profile 2. So you can customize your profile here. You can choose accordingly whatever the options are here. I'll leave it up to the customer how he wanted to do that, but yes, these are the options you get for the active info display, how you want it to your clusters to be look like. So now move on to how the PDC will work. So front and rear parking insert, you can use manually. You have the specific dedicated button for the park pilot here. You just press it and you can switch it between, you can view this park assistance or your front and rear assistance anytime. It will also work along with your reverse gear, which will obviously give you the different dynamics altogether. Plus you have the just a second, you have you will also have the different option for camera to view. This helps you to park your car, it will move along. Just a second. So once you put into the river, it will give you the option, it will move according to the guidelines. And if you want the various view, this will be helpful. This view helpful for your parallel parking. So it will detect the space, it will give you the green signal, which is not accurate right now because it's just detecting. Once you will be the open, it will detect the exact space and it will help you to park accordingly, where this steering wheel angle will give you the direction how to reverse your steering, how to handle your steering. This is the wide view. This is for basically the cars in the Europe, which comes for the which they have the trailer locked system. So for that they can use to hook up their trailer. This is wide view, and these are your basic settings, your adjust brightness, contrast, color, and something like that. Along with that, additionally, obviously you will have the 8K OPS always on. So yeah, this is all we have retrofitted in this car. If you're looking anything something like that, please drop us you find my Instagram ID on YouTube, you find my phone number, you can call us anytime. We can give you the best quotes. These are all OEM parts. You don't need to cut wire or anything like that, and this will not void your warranty. So remember. Bye, see you guys. I'll see you in next video.